Everyone, today I'm going to show you a free tool from connectsafely.ai called the Sales Navigator Filters Generator. This tool helps you quickly define your ideal prospects and generate the right filters for LinkedIn Sales Navigator. Instead of guessing which filters to use, you simply fill in a few details about the type of people you want to find. Let me walk you through it. First, we define the job titles of the people we want to reach. For example, if I'm selling a marketing product, I might enter something like head of marketing or marketing manager. And for this example, let me put in head of marketing. Okay. And next, we specify the industry. And for this demo, let's just select software as a service. This will help us narrow down prospects to companies that are most relevant to our product or service. And then we select the company size. And for this demo, as you can see, you can explore these options later on. And for this demo, I'll select 51 to 200 employees. And this is useful because many products work better for companies within a certain size range. And next is the seniority level. And let's target directors only, as it ensures we are targeting decision makers rather than junior roles. Next is geography, and you can select any country you want to. This will help us focus our outreach on the markets we want to work in. And for this demo, let's select United States. Next, we can filter by the years in the current role, and let us just select 1 to 2 years. This can help us find professionals who are experienced but still actively growing in their position. And you can also include the keywords such as, let me put in demand generation. This will help me find people who are working with technologies or strategies relevant to our business. And you can also exclude keywords. And for this example, let me exclude interns. And you can also add your objective, that is the lead generation. This helps the tool generate filters optimized for finding potential customers. And that's it. As you can see on my screen, as we have filled all the fields, the tool generates a structured set of filters that you can use directly in LinkedIn Sales Navigator to find the right prospects. Instead of spending hours experimenting with filters, you can create a clear prospecting strategy in seconds. Based on these filters, the tool estimates around 1.3K leads that match the ideal customer profile. This means you instantly get a pool of highly relevant prospects without manually researching each filter. The best part is that every filter generated by the tool can be copied directly and applied inside Sales Navigator, saving a lot of time and marketing prospecting much more structured. Instead of spending hours experimenting with filters, you can clearly define your target audience and start finding the right prospects in seconds. If you want to try it yourself, you can explore this free tool on connectsafely.ai. Thank you very much for watching this video.